Hello, very good morning, everyone. How are you today? Yes, very good. That's very good, Kai. Nirupa, today you came? Yes, okay. Yes, very good morning, Jatin and Vaibhav. Yes. In the last previous class, we have started whole numbers lesson, correct? We have started lesson whole numbers. Second chapter we have started. In that, yesterday we have learned definition of whole numbers. What is whole numbers? Whole numbers are collection of natural numbers along with zero, right? Collection of natural numbers along with zero are called whole numbers. Whole number starts from 0 and up to infinity. It's a endless, correct? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to infinity. It's a countless, right? Numbers are countless. Crores, 10 crores, 100 crores, like that it will be continue. Billion, trillion, and still more numbers are there, correct? Yes. So, and we have solved yesterday exercise sums also, right? Are you completed your homework? Yesterday's homework, what I have given? Yes, very good. 5 mains we have solved in class. Same 5 mains I have given for homework, right, Bhavna? Yes. So, are you practiced those sums? Done in homework? Yes. Today we will continue our 6th main. Yesterday in exercise 2.1 we have completed 5 mains. Today we are going to solve our 6th main. Okay. So can we start now? Yes. We will start 6th main. Okay. Yes. The 6th main is write the predecessor of. Yesterday we have done successors. Today we are going to practice predecessor. 6th main exercise 2.1 and 6th main. Write the predecessor of. Write the of the following. Predecessor of the following. So first question is 94. So already in yesterday class we have learned what is predecessor. When we subtract 1 from any natural numbers or whole numbers, we get predecessor, correct? In the sense before number, we can say that before number. Predecessor is nothing but before number. Okay, Nirupa? Before number and predecessor both are same. Nowadays we are calling in LKG, UKG, we call it as a after number, before number, right? Already you are grown up, so we are pronouncing as a predecessor and successor. Predecessor means before number. Now 94 is the number. For this we have to write a predecessor. We will subtract 1. 94 minus 1. In 94 if you subtract 1, in 4 if you subtract 1, 3. Here 9 as it is. What is the number? Yes, very good. The number is 93. The next, the second question is 10,000. The number is 10,000. We have to write predecessor for this. In 10,000, we have to subtract 1. So if I subtract 1, in 0, we can't subtract 1. So what I will do? Yes, very good. We have to take borrow. Then it is 10. This is 9, 9, 9. This is 0. Okay. So now in 10, if you subtract 1, 9, 9 as it is, here 9 as it is, here 9 as it is. So 9,999. Predecessor is 9,999. Okay, Kushal? Understand? Yes. Manoj, Arab? Understand? Yes, before number we are writing predecessor. We are writing a predecessor for a given number. We will subtract 1 from the given number and we will get predecessor. Is this clear, Kaif? Varun? Yes. Manoj? Shoaib? Okay. Now we will move for third one. Yes, Manjunath, is this clear? Yes. So the third number is 20809. How to read this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 2 lakh 8,090. 2 lakh 8,090. We have to find a predecessor for this number. So I will subtract 1 from this number. I will subtract 1 from this number. So in 0, again we can't subtract 1. So we will take borrow. Then it will be 10 and this is 8. In 10, if we subtract 1, it's a 9. Here 8. 0 as it is 8, 0 and 2. So what is our answer? 2,08,089. 2,08,089. So one more sum is there. I will leave you as a homework. You have to do that homework, okay, today. So with this 3 sum, one more sum you have to solve in your homework book. Okay, Akfa, correct ma? Yes, Natasha? Yes, show me the thumb. Yes, okay. Yes, yes, Saima and Umayma, understand? Yes, okay. So now we will move for next 7th May. We will move for 7th main. And listen carefully, 7th main. In each of the following pairs of a numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the number line. On the number line, also write them with the appropriate sign greater than or symbol, greater than or smaller than symbol between them. Okay. So here they have given 2 numbers. Here they have given 2 numbers. I have to write these number in which left and which number comes on the right, and which is greater and which is smaller. Okay, understand? Saima, in your left, who are sitting? Saima is sitting your left, right? Saima is on left. For Saima's right, you are correct. Saima's right side, you are sitting. And yours left side, Saima sitting. So now like that, like how you both are sitting like that, here they have given 2 numbers. Here they have given 2 numbers and we have to say which is right, which is in the left. Okay. Now, for example, you both are the number. You both are the number. Saima's right is Umayma. Umayma's left is Saima. Like that, 2 numbers are there. We have to write which number is on left and which number is on right. Okay, Kalandar? We will solve through example, then you will come to know. Okay. So here they have given 2 numbers, 530 and 503. I have a 2 numbers here, 530 and 530 and 503. So we have to check where which number is on left and which number is on a right. Okay. So for example, we will draw the number line. Okay. In number line, always we start from 1, right? 501, 502, 503, and so on. I won't write the numbers. You have to understand like 504, 5, 6, 507, 508, 509, 510, up to 528, 529, 530. Understand? Because it's a long number line, it's very big, right? I can't write all the numbers, so I have written like this. Understood? Understood that? I have started from 501, 502, 503. Next 504 should come. 505, 506, 7, 508, 509, 510, 511, 512, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Next 519, 520, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 527, 528, 529, 530. Okay, instead of writing all the numbers, I have written these three and these three. In the middle, I have drawn the so on. Okay, it says so on. I have written so on. So numbers are there. Okay, you have to imagine. Understood then? Yes, okay, pa. Manoj, Yashaswini? Yes. So now, which number is on left? In your right side, see here, right side. This is my right and left hand, right? This is my right hand, this is my left hand. So on right side, we have a 530. And here 503. 503 is on the left side. In these two, which is greater? Which is greater? 530 is the greater, right? 530 is the greater. Here 530 is the greater, right? 530 is the greater, 503 is the lesser. So which number is have a less value? That number comes always on left. Which number have a less value? That number comes on left. So 503 is left to 503 appear on left side of 530. Which is left side? 503 is on left side. Okay. Understand, Manoj, Harsha? Harsha, is this clear? Understand clearly? Yes. One thing you have to understand, always in 503 and 530, which is smaller? Which is smaller? 503 is the smaller. So always 503 comes on the left side of a 530. Which is a smaller number, that number comes on left side. Smaller number comes on left side. So second question, we will move on to second question. 370 and 307. In these number, which is smaller? Which is smaller? 307 is the smaller, right? So 307 comes on left. So we can write that 307 appear on left side of 370. Understand? Is this clear? If you didn't understand, just text me. I'll explain one more time. If you didn't understand, yes, very good. Many are sent already. Correct answer. Very good. Yes, Preksha. Preksha, listen. All we have to check which number is smaller. In these two numbers, which numbers are smaller? 370, 307. 307 is the smaller number, smallest number, right? 307 is the smallest number. So that number comes on left side of a 370. If we come left side, the values decrease. If we go right side, the values increase. Correct? If we start from 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the values increase. Correct? If we come back 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and the values decrease. Correct? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 values increase. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20 values decrease. So if we come left side, the values will decrease. If we go right side, the values increase. Okay, understand everyone? If we go right side, the values increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you go right side, the values increase. If you go back 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, then the values decrease. Understand? If you go left side, the values decrease. If you go right side, the values increases. Correct, Kalandar? Yes. Natasha, correct, ma? Who didn't understand? Raise your hand. Who didn't understand? Raise your hand. Yes, Qasim, listen. Yes, Qasim and Shoaib, listen. So here it's a easiest topic. Here they have given two numbers. Here they have given two numbers. We have to find out which is smaller and which is greater. Always we are doing right. Smaller number, greatest number. We will use the symbols. Alligator mouth. We will use and we will write it which is smaller and which is greater. Correct? Like this. So here also we have to do that same. But one thing we have to write here which number comes left side. In those two numbers, which comes left. So 503 and 530 in those two numbers, 503 is the lesser number. Correct. So always lesser number comes on left side of left side. So we have to write that number is on left. Okay. Okay, Qasim. Yes. So hope you understood now 370 and 307. In these two, 307 is smaller number. Correct. See here, arrow mark how it is, alligator mouth. This is 370 is the greater, 307 is the smaller. So 307 appear on left side of a 370. Okay. So next, one more I will give you sum. You have to solve this sum. So write down third sum. So third sum 98,765, 56,789. In these two numbers, which number comes to left? Which is smaller and which number comes to left? Just text me, okay? Text me. Yes, very good, Anu. Very good, Anu. 56,789 is the smallest number. So that number comes on the left of a 98,765. Yes, very good. Yes, very good, Sanchana, Samina. Yes, Dhruvi, correct. Hope you all understood this, right? Yes, correct, Pa. Very good. 56,789 is the smallest number. That comes in a left side. Okay. Correct, Pa. Akhilesh, Aditya, yes, very good. Likita, yes, everyone understood, right? Yes, very good. So now, we will move for a next main. We will move for next 8th main. We will move for 8th main. So listen carefully. So listen carefully. This is the true false. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? We have to write a true false for the given statements. Okay. So first, which of the following statements? So first statement is 0 is the smallest natural number. So just text me the answer. Listen carefully. 0 is the smallest natural number. True or false? True or false you have to write. 0 is the smallest natural number. Yes, very good. False. Nanita, correct. Yes, very good. Fatima, correct. Manjunath, very good. Why it's a false? Send me the answer. Why it's a false? Because natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. There is no 0 in a natural number. There is no 0 in a natural number. Then how it will be 0 is the smallest natural number. Smallest natural number is 1. Smallest natural number is 1. 0 is the smallest whole number. 0 is the smallest whole number. Here I'll write down. So first question is 0 is the smallest natural number. It's a false, right? 0 is not a smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest whole number. So it's a false. Correct. Correct, Kasim? Aditya? Siddiq? Akfa? S. Vaibhav? Aspa. So second question is 0 is the smallest whole number. Is this right or wrong? Truth or false? Zero is the smallest whole number. Yes, very good. True. Yes, very good. It's a true. Yes, next. Next, third question is all natural numbers are whole number. Think carefully. All natural numbers are whole numbers. True or false? True or false? How come false? Yes, very good. True. It's a true pa. How it will be false? Think here. All natural numbers. Natural numbers means it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, so on, right? 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are natural numbers. What is whole numbers? Which are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. So already in the definition we have learned, Aditya, what is whole numbers? Whole numbers means it's a collection of natural numbers along with 0. So all the natural numbers are inside whole numbers. See here, all the natural numbers, this is the natural number, and which comes inside the whole number. This is whole number. In whole number we have a 0, extra 0. With that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to infinity. So it's a true. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Understand, Ashrita? So next, all whole numbers are natural numbers. Fourth one. Sorry, all whole numbers are. Whole numbers are natural numbers. All whole numbers are natural numbers. Wrong. False it is, because in whole numbers what we have extra? What we have extra? Yes, Akfa, what we have? We have 0. Very good. Very good, Qasim. Shoaib. Yes, we have a 0. So 0 is not a natural number. 0 is not a natural number, so it's a false. Correct, Padan. Many are sent right answer. Very good. So it's a false. So next, 400 is the predecessor of 99. 400 is the predecessor of 399. It's a true or false? Predecessor means before number. Understand the question carefully, read it 2 times. 400 is the predecessor of 399. Predecessor of 399. Yes, very good. Komala, why it's a true pa? How come true? Vaibhav, Jeevita, Kushal, how come true? See here. Maths is very easy when you understand the question. This is the easiest subject which you have, but you have to understand the question, read the questions 2 times and try to understand. 400 is the predecessor of 399. They are telling 399 predecessor is 400. See here, when you subtract 399, when you subtract 1 from 399, you will get in 9. If you subtract 1, 8, 9, 3 as it is. What is the predecessor of 399? 398. But they are telling you it's a 400. No, it's a wrong. So this is false. This is the successor of 399. What they have given 400. That is successor of 399, not a predecessor. Understand, Anu? Okay, Anu? Shreya? Manoj? Ashrita? Yes. Harsha, understand? Sinchana? Yes. Harsha? Yes, okay. Akfa? Saima? Bhavna? Bhavna, understand? Yes, Bhavna, listen. Understand the question, Bhavna. 400 is the predecessor of 399. How ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 399 na before number 400 anta. Is this correct? 399 ಹಿಂದೆ 399 before number ಎಷ್ಟು? 398. But they are telling predecessor is 400. No, it's a wrong. 400 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Successor ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 399 ನ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು? 398. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 399 ನ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 400 ಅಂತ. Right or wrong? Understand, Bhavna, now? Yes, very good. Understand now? Revati? Yes. So first thing you have to do is you have to understand the questions clearly. If you understand questions, then it is the very easiest subject which you have. Okay? Understand, Bhavna, now? Okay. Okay. So next we will move on to next one. So sixth one is 600 is the successor of 599. 600 is the successor of 599. Now you can say this correct answer. 600 is the successor of 599. True or false? 600 is the successor of 599. 599 na after number 600 anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 599 na after number 600 ante. ಇದು true na false? Yes, Saima and Numaima, correct. Yes, Kushal, just show me the thumb. If it is true, show me the thumb. Yes, Anu, correct. Yes, Siddiq. Yes, Manoj. Manoj AV. Sit properly. Yes, Dhruvi. Yes, Manjunath. Okay, Arab. Yes, ma Sinchana. Okay, Nandita, understand, ma? Preksha. So I hope you understand. 600 is the successor of 599. It's a true. It's a true, correct. So today we will stop here itself. We will wind up the class, but tomorrow we will continue. So today you have to practice these two mains. Today we have discussed predecessor, writing predecessor for a given number, and smallest and the greatest number, and which numbers comes on the left and right, and few statements true or false. Okay, Huda, understand, pa? Huda, show me the thumb if you understand. Okay, if you didn't understand anything, just text me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. Jatin. I hope you all understood. If you didn't understand anything, if you have a doubt, ask me. Okay, text me. I will clarify your doubts. This is the easiest, very easiest lesson. Very easiest lesson. Just you have to understand the questions. So while solving the problems, you have to read the question two times. Read it slowly, carefully, and try to understand the question. Then you can easily solve it. Okay, Pa? Is this clear now? Yes. Today's homework is these sums. These sums you have to solve. Okay. In your homework book, you have to solve this again. After completing this lesson, I will give you classwork. Otherwise, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will send you the classwork. Okay. Together you can write up. Okay, Nirupa? Yes, Jivita? Yes. If you have a doubt, if you have any problem, just text me. I will solve that. Okay, Pa. Thank you. Take care. Stay in home. Be safe. Utilize the time. Bye-bye.